Okay, welcome back everyone. This is the finished bike. Okay, starting with the front. Decided to do a light with a separate power supply rather than the 12 volt conversion, so you can charge it. It has multiple modes that it can go through. Did the number plate in the front, no longer needed the light there. The forks were a big swap. Decided to go with aftermarket because of the loose and weak area right there for the stock Windone setup. This one also has a stronger area down here, so this isn't on the bottom, it's in front of this area, so this is a lot stronger. The back side of this is a lot stronger and just has a little bit more travel too, but just an overall better setup. They are bigger diameter tubes than the stock as well. The factory brakes do swap over. However, we have new calipers on the top. Let's see what else. Okay, moving back to the side cover. That's the Lexan that we talked about, so not plexiglass. So it has a little more bendability. It doesn't just crack and shatter if you were to lay it down on something. It's a smoked, so that's the natural color. See my hand back behind it, how it changes. And that is painted on the inside to cover up the battery. That's the Fardriver controller, same as before. We did a seat cover on top, brake lights, the stock one in the back. Let's see, we kept the original routing of the derailleur cable right there and just kind of tied it off and kept it tied to, like, you know, one tooth above the bottom on the sprocket. It's good for pedaling. I mean, we don't use it for pedaling. It's primarily for throttle only. But the way it's set up, it'll go up to 52 miles per hour. And it still looks like a class 3 e-bike, meaning it has the pedals and the chain drive, so it won't get you kicked out of a lot of places. Other than that, it's been a lot of fun. Probably going to be putting it up for sale soon, since we have the bug, and going for more of an off-road type setup. This is really fun for the streets and for long greenway rides though. That's it. Hope you liked it.